How to turn off Safe Search for Google on iPhone. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, simply go ahead and open a Google application in your mobile device. Once you open Google up, you'll have to make sure that you're signed into your Google account. Now once you are signed in, you'll see this kind of interface in your screen. Now from here, simply tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. And once you tap onto it, you will see this pop-up on your screen. From here, simply tap on Safe Search under Search History. Now once you are inside Safe Search, you'll find three different options. Filter, which filters out explicit images, text and links. Blur, which helps to blur explicit image but explicit text and links may show. And Off, which shows all relevant results even if they are explicit. So go ahead and click on Off, and just like so, Safe Search is now off. And that is how you can turn off Safe Search for Google on iPhone. And that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.